x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. All right, so let's take a look at some of this. This says a group of 4 friends likes to golf together. Each friend keeps track of her all-time lowest score in a single round. Their low scores are all between 90 and 100 except Angie, whose low score is 80. So let's look at that. This is information. So there's 4 friends. We have Angie, and then friend number 1, friend number 2, and friend number 3. And they all golf, and they all have scores where Angie's is 80, and everyone else's are between 90 and 100. Doesn't say what they are, but let's say between 90 and 100. So this one could be 91, this one could be 94, and this one could be 97. You can pick any number for those, and you would be fine, okay? If you had chosen this to be 91, and this 95, and this 100, that would be fine too. But I'm just assigning values there. And then it says Angie has a great round, and now her new low score is 75. So now there's a totally different set of data. The new data is I'm replacing Angie with 75. But all the other golfers have the same scores. 91, 94, 97. At this point, I'm going to find the mean and the median. In order to find the mean, I need to add them all up and divide by 4. So we're going to get the mean of the original data. And the original data is 80, 91, 94, 97. Divide that by 4. And the mean of the original is 90.5. And then this is the new mean. And I believe it's going to be lower because I'm adding a smaller number here. And so when I added 80 here to these and then divided by 4, I'm adding 75 to these numbers divided by 4. It should be smaller, right? The mean should be lower. 89.25. So my new mean is smaller, okay? So that's the mean. Now let's look at the median. The median is the number in the middle. So if I have 4 numbers, the median here would be the number that is between 91 and 94. So I could just take those two and divide by 2 to find the number in between. So 91 plus 94 divided by 2, that's 92.5. 92.5 is the original median. So median means I line all the numbers up in order, and then I find the number that's right in the middle. If there's an even number of terms, then I take the 2 middle numbers and add them, divide by 2 to get the median. So the original median is 92.5. If I look here, the median hasn't changed. Angie has had a better score here, but the median is still the number in the middle, right? There's 4 numbers, so the number in the middle would be when I add these 2 and divide by 2. And so this new median is still going to be this 92.5. It's still the same. Now let's see which answer makes sense. Notice this is the work required for this particular question. So it says both the mean and the median will decrease. Well, the mean decreased, but the median did not. So answer choice A is incorrect. It says the median will decrease, the mean will stay the same. Well, the median did not decrease. This was the original, this is the new, it did not decrease, so B is not correct. The mean will decrease and the median will stay the same. The mean went from 90.5 to 89.25. That did decrease, so that same is true. The median stays the same, and therefore answer choice C. This time they gave me a question about Anna. She played 5 rounds of golf and her lowest score was an 80. All right, these are her 5 rounds of golf. She had an 80, a 90, a 92, a 94, and a 96. It was discovered that Anna broke some rules when she scored an 80. So that score will be removed from the data set. So we're eliminating those scores. So she had an 80, 90, 92, 94, 96. So she had 80, 90, 92, 94, 96. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She had 5 scores, and she broke some rules that 80 doesn't count. So now she's left with a 90, 92, 94, 96. All right, so this was the original data, this is the new data. Let's see what the questions ask. How will the removal of the lowest round affect the mean and median? All right, so we're gonna do the work. We're gonna actually find the mean and the median. So to find the mean, I'm gonna add all these up, divide by 5, because there's 5 data points. See what this mean is, the original mean. So the original mean is 90.4. And the median, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. So if there's 5 terms, this is the original median. Original median, 92. So the original mean is 90.4, the original median is 92. Again, notice I'm doing the work. And now I'm gonna do this, the new mean, so 90 plus 92 plus 94 plus 96, divided by 4. So the new mean is 93, and the new median is in between these two, right? There's 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. When there's 4 terms, I have to take the number in the middle. So 92, 90, whatever's between 92 and 93, that's 90, between 92 and 94, which is 93. So the new median is 93. And so now I'm just going to compare it. My original median was 92. My new median is 93. So the median went from 92 to 93. The median went up. The original mean was 90.4. The new mean is 93. So let's see. Both of them went up. Both the mean and the median will decrease. Well, that's not correct, right? It's actually going to increase. Both the mean and the median will decrease. Nope. Both the mean and the median will increase. All right, this is true. But the mean will increase by more than the median. All right, the mean increased from 90.4 to 93. So take 93 minus 90.4. You get 2.6. So it increased by 2.6. And this increased, the median increased, so the mean increased by 2.6. The median increased by 1. Median increased by 1. So both the mean and the median will increase, but the mean will increase by more. Well, that's right. The mean increased by 2.6, and that's more than the median. Again, I did all the work. I found the original median, the original mean, the new median, the new mean, compared them, and found out that this answer should be answer choice C.